Before discussing or analyzing the major components of language curriculum framework, I would like just to define some of the key terms and differentiate or compare syllabus design and language curriculum design and see what these two terms actually mean. The definitions of these two terms will help us better understand the whole discussion taking place throughout this course. Well, before I begin, I would just like to just have a little pause here and think what you understand by these two terms, syllabus design and curriculum development for language teaching. Just take a little pause and think and try to relate your understanding of these two terms to the discussion in this module. Well, syllabus design has been, it's been defined in a number of ways, and there are various definitions, but I've got very brief definition here just to highlight it because of time constraint. So Breen defines it as what will be worked upon by the teacher and students in terms of content and how teachers will deliver the content. So syllabus is, as this definition indicates, it refers to what will be actually done in the language classroom and what's the relationship between students and teachers. What processes, I mean, the use of methodology or how to grade the content and how to make it, learnable or make it effective for the language learners. As compared to syllabus design, language curriculum definition sees it as a broad description of the general goals by indicating an overall educational, cultural, philosophical, and which applies across a number of subjects together with a theoretical orientation to language and language learning. A curriculum is often reflective of national and political trends as well. The reason why I have, dwelt on this long quote here, because it's important to see the characteristics which are underlined by this definition. So it's a broad description. In brief, as compared to syllabus design, curriculum design refers to the broad statements outlining the goals, objectives of a course. So in other words, language curriculum design refers to ensuring the contextual factors of a language program before introducing it, and to see some of the needs of the students, their wants, strengths and weaknesses, and to see how the goals of a course could be set. And it also entails to include some discussion about the national and political trends. So for example, in the context of Pakistan, you will see throughout this course, I'll continue to refer to the national curriculum from grade 1 to 12, how this entails some national and political trends. So this is how language curriculum development is seen as a general framework outlining the components of a language program. So there could be within one language curriculum design, there could be various syllabuses, there could be various instructional materials, and there could be various teaching methodologies. So this brief discussion here, and for further discussion, I would strongly recommend you to just read David Noonan book, Syllabus Design, that gives substance, a thorough understanding of the definitions. And this book is also easily downloadable, freely downloadable from the internet. So in brief, curriculum is the definitions indicate it refers to making general statements, suggestions, improvements about the course. And it would also entails the relationship or the EFL learning experiences of the learners and teachers. And on the other hand, syllabuses are more localized, and there are various kinds of syllabuses which you can employ in order to meet the needs of a language program.